Holy crap, I had to do a little video on this. This is the greasiest stove I've ever seen. And look at how much junk is in the oven. And there's still so much crap packed up in there. Look at all the grease. Holy crap. Look at this was underneath. I've never seen one so bad. These people are only here like a year. It's all the way back there. The trash. That is just, I mean, Right, that didn't take long at all. Hour and a half, something like that. There's the dryer and the stove. Here's a view of the kitchen now, minus all the junk. There's that dryer, ran with 12 too. But yeah, that's the kitchen. It's a lot bigger. It's not a bad size kitchen. But trying to get a full view of it. I guess that's about all you get. And here's the bathroom. All the trash removed. Nothing cleaned, of course. I'm just bagging up trash. Everything leaks in this thing. There we go. But let's see the plan from here on out. Oh, look at this. I don't know what this is. It's a pickaxe. It's not a Maddox. Because Maddox has two things. One side, both sides are for digging. That one's for like, I don't know. I'm not an expert on it. But anyway, I got a, let's see. Well, there's all the trash here. And I'm pretty much gonna go through that cupboard there. Get all them books and bullshit. I guess I can bag all that crap up. I can't even see. But anyway, that's their stuff. I'll let it sit a week. The old tenant, and that's it. I'm gonna start getting this shit ready to go on the. All right, so here we go again. Reducing stuff. It's just my tools and a few things I'm gonna keep. And yeah, this room, I'm good. Here's the living room. I got all my LED bulbs and everything. Got the power on, fantastic. This is the last of the shit. That and that thing, but I might keep one or two of these for the job. Well, that one to hold my stuff, all my materials and stuff as I work. But these can go. That's a gun safe type thing, and a big, I don't know what, and TV holder. These things need to come down. And let's see this room here. I ripped out the carpet. Oh, I didn't turn on the light. And got everything out of here. Looking good. Looking good. And then, of course, the dining room. It's all empty except for that dresser and the ex-tenant shit. If he comes and gets it, that's great. If he don't, oh well. This is a view of that room. Pretty good size dining room for this big a house. And then the kitchen, look at there. Yeah, I utilized those lamps they had, LED bulbs, and I guess this is where the washer is. That's the yeah, I don't know, it's weird. It's got one of those doors, like on a restaurant. Oh, it swings that way as well. Isn't that something? Like a restaurant. I'll probably just take that out. Wow, look at that. I don't know if you can see it in the video, but that door frame is, whoo, it's a good, probably 3/4 of an inch out. But, it just stays like that. But, yeah, those cabinets though. cleaned them all out. All the shit. Yeah, all that food, all that stuff down there. A nice custom connection. But looking better. Looking better. This has like 7-foot ceilings in here. 7 or 8. Might be 8. I'm just used to the rest of the house at 9. And there's that bathroom. Look at this siding shiplap on the outside. This was an exterior wall. And of course, and there's the bathroom. I cleaned it. I just cleaned up all the stuff. I didn't clean. But yeah, there's the. That was just a porch. This was a porch turned into a bathroom. Okay, so anyway, it's getting there. I'm hoping that somebody just put down OSB and see that red. I'm hoping that wood is good underneath there. But I'm going to peel all this up and just see what we got. See what we got. The rest of the house is hardwoods. Painted hardwoods. Who the hell paints hardwoods? But anyway, but look at that. That's pretty nice. Pretty nice area. Little house. Nice little house. Just need a little sweeperoo, that's all. But there's that chimney. Yeah, I'm just gonna tear that whole thing out. Look at that ceiling. They did a custom patch job right there. Looks pretty custom. They were customizing. Look at that door frame. That's a 2x4 that I installed right there. Just to hold the door up. That's the other one. This whole door was kicked in. But I'm just going to get a frame. Just a nice frame. Door frame. Let's see. I would look out the window like, who in the world is that? But yeah, I cleaned this porch. There's my awesome rig. All I got is that little pile of toys and that fucking tractor tire. What do you do with a tractor tire? But yeah, look at this porch. Looking good. There's some more shit. I'm so sick of trinkets and these stupid things. They were everywhere in this place. But I'm about to saw up all this firewood. I'll take that firewood. Yes, I will. And then we call her a day. I mean, dang. I don't know how many loads I did to the dump. Yep. That used to be a gas station right there. Yep, right across the street. Gas station. I'll have to walk down there and check it out sometime. Yeah. But the porch is leaking a little bit. But not bad. It's bad. But I think I can still say that that's the porch wire. Yep. Well, I guess I'm gonna. Yeah, I got most of the trash up. It's hard to believe, but I did. A couple days.